Hi guys! Woo! Paul from PABrewNews here. Shaky cam, crazy. Got a beer here from a brewery I've never heard of, never had anything from them before. It's a Cumcumber Berlinerweiss from Toolbox Brewing Company. Toolbox Brewing Company. This is a 4.5% alcohol by volume Berlinerweiss style ale brewed with cucumbers. I'm all in. Let's do this. I've had 3 or 4 Berlinerweisses. Some I like obviously more than others, but overall, I've seemingly enjoyed the style. Berlinerweisses were known to German, obviously, areas, and they were actually a very big hit with Napoleon during the Napoleonic times. They were known as the Champagne of the North. Champagne du Nord, you know, that kind of thing or whatever. So that's pretty interesting. I like the historical aspect of it. I had Dr. Fritz Brain's Berlinerweiss, got some of that information off that one, which that was a fine Berlinerweiss. So here we go. Yeah, you definitely get that vegetal hint from like the sweet cucumber. There is a sweet and tart note coming from this. The lactobacillus, like a yogurt, was added to it, I think, at least initially, to get that tart lager. I thought they were lagers. It says ale, but maybe it's an ale yeast. I don't know that the wild yeast, the lactobacillus, to get that kind of tartness out of this. I don't know if it's sour mashed, or I don't know too much about how to brew a Berlinerweiss, but you get soft fruity esters, a little bit of a hay almost. You get that vegetal cucumber a little bit. Yeah, it's wheat, straw, a little bit of a sweet tone. There's definitely like a tart lemonness coming from this one. It's a very fun smelling beer. I like these beers overall because they're bright, they're crisp, they're different, they're tart, they're fun. It's definitely interesting. So here you go. Cheers. Wow. That's different. You need to get that vegetal kick of the cucumber. Absolutely. You definitely get it. You need some finger sandwiches with this little bitch, that kind of deal. But you get a nice sharp tart lemon in there too. You have a sharp tart lemon, hangs around a little bit, bites at you. Almost a lemon lime almost. But overall, again, clean. It's a really nice beer, very crisp, it's refreshing. It's a firm carbonation, but not in a belly expanding kind of a way. The cucumber almost uses, I mean, just like if you're eating sushi or whatever. I mean, like the ginger and the cucumber and things like that. It's almost like palate cleansing almost. And all you get is little faint hints of tart lemon that kind of hang around for a little bit longer, but that dissipates too. And then you just go in for more. That is fun. That is a fun one. Cumcumber Berliner style Weiss ale brewed with cucumber. Then let's see, what do we have for the brewery? Because I've never heard of these guys before. Serve at 44 degrees. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Cellar 55. That's closer. Keep cool. Pour gently. Contains alcohol. Brewed and bottled by Toolbox Brewing Company, Vista, San Diego County, California. Okay, cool. So lower California area. Vista, California. Probably fairly sure would be my first beer from a company from Vista, California. I mean, obviously San Diego, there's a bunch in there, and LA, and around those areas, but I think this is the first one I've ever had from Vista, California. And now it's got a beautiful haze to it. Really nice haze to it. One more time, here we go. And of course, add the sediment, like sharp crispness, kind of dissipates a little bit because you are left with a little bit more bready, a little bit more of that straw tone that hangs around, and then it also dials back the tartness a little bit too. It's not a bad thing though, but I like a really crisp, really bright, really sharp with the tartness, so I prefer without the sedimentation. You actually lose a little bit of that vegetal cucumber too with the sedimentation because it just kicks up that yeasty, bready tone, straw, and it kind of muddles everything else down. Still very nice, still very thirst quenching, very easy to drink, and you still get those faint tones of everything in there. They're just locked down a little bit more and muted with the yeast sedimentation. So, be that as it may, I think it's really nice. I'll give it 8.5. 8.5 as an overall with and without the thing. Slam them together to about an 8.5. Not bad at all. Fun for me. Berliner Weisses, try them. They're pretty fun. The only one that I didn't really care for was Jack's Abbey. It was just a little bit too for me, but maybe that's exactly what it should be and everyone else loves it. I don't know. But for me, there you go. It's been Paul from PABrewNews. Cheers.